We'll get to the little problem spot
Right
and see
there.
how he reacts. Yeah. Oh, I
Oh.
saw that.
See 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.